Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to look taller in photo using EPIK Photo Editor. So here I've already on the EPIK apps and I've already added a photo to the editor page, and I want to make this person on the photo to look taller, and here I'm gonna show you how. So in this editor page, you need to go to portrait, this one's right here, and then swipe until you find height, this one's right here. Just click on height, and then after that, just these lines right here is to adjust which part of the object on the photo that you want to make look taller. For example, I want to made the like the feet of this person to look taller, so just drag this like this and then adjust the circles right here, so you can just see it. You can see the person is now look taller, and then to make it like proportional, you need to adjust the other part also, and then just swipe again, and then the other part. Okay, I'm going to make it go like this, and if you're done, just click on the check icons right here. Okay, so you can see the difference. Now it go like this. So that's the upper and lower. You can also use the free mode, so I'm going to just undo what I did and click on height again, and I'm going to show you how you can use it on free mode. Click on free mode, and then you can also do the same and adjust it like so. Click on the check icon when you're done, and then if you want to download, just click on this icon. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can make yourself look taller in photo using EPIK Photo Editor. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.